Hi beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. I want you guys to check out this beautiful short natural haircut that's packed with practicality and good looks into one. This haircut is a style that's perfect for active women on the go, and you can see how this ultra short cut leaves and breathes vigor and freshness because it provides you with that styling versatility, and this style really looks clean and will always draw attention to your facial features, simply downplaying the neck area. One thing I love about this style is that it's a bold short natural haircut that dramatically shorter size will keep you comfortable like in this hotter climate, and a flowing little bit longer top we add softness like in the audacious look. So this is a style that will help to facelift without the actual treatments. You can see because it targets multiple areas at once, that adds volume to the hair, slimming the face and blurring the neck wrinkles. So this is a style that gives your hair shape with its multiple layers and boosts those natural movement of traces. So let me just let you guys to please serve out the rest of the haircut we have for you. Don't forget to subscribe if it's the first time here in Winnie Styles. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Please try to use the right product, like we have the nail, we have the toes, we have some good products that you can use on your hair to achieve good coils without breaking the bank. Okay, let us know your mind and how you feel about this haircut. I want to appreciate everyone. God bless you guys, and please watch this video to the end. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.